Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO of CourseCREEK. CourseCREEK is a firm that helps coaches, authors, companies, thought leaders, really anybody with a great idea, design and build live cohort programs and live masterclass programs. There's a hot trend right now in the e-learning industry, and it's coming from the learners, from the market. And that is that they're asking for a higher level of engagement from instructors and a higher level of engagement from the content and inside a community with other students. And that's why the trend really is leaning heavily into live cohorts and live masterclasses. Now, if you're somebody that already owns a video on demand self-paced course, no problem. I'm not suggesting that those assets are obsolete. They're not. They just need to be redeployed inside the value ladder in a different, better tactical way to complement a live cohort and a live masterclass. If you're interested in learning more, click the link below and let's have one of those Zoom discovery calls. Or you know what, just pick up the phone and give me a call. We can save some time and I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.